Miami Gardens is a community full of character, colorful neighborhoods, vibrant architecture, and homeowners who take pride in creating spaces that feel uniquely theirs. One of the best ways to give your home a distinctive, stylish look is by upgrading to custom window designs. Unlike standard, cookie-cutter options, custom windows let you choose the shape, size, material, and style that perfectly complement your home's architecture and your personal taste. Whether you want more natural light, improved curb appeal, or a modern twist on your home's existing style, custom windows offer the flexibility and creativity Miami Gardens homeowners love. Here's how custom window designs can make your home stand out while offering practical benefits. A personalized look that reflects your style. Standard windows can limit your design possibilities, but custom windows give you full control over your home's appearance. You can choose from a nearly endless range of shapes, including arched windows, floor-to-ceiling picture windows, geometric shapes, circular, oval, or eyebrow windows. Specialty custom combinations. These unique designs instantly add personality to your home, helping it stand out in a neighborhood as diverse and vibrant as Miami Gardens. Whether you prefer sleek, modern lines or soft, elegant curves, custom windows bring your vision to life. Enhancing natural light exactly where you want it. One of the biggest advantages of custom windows is the ability to increase natural light in the areas that need it most. South Florida sunlight is abundant, and custom window sizes allow you to take full advantage of it. Placing custom windows strategically can brighten dark hallways or interior rooms, create dramatic lighting in living areas, to make kitchens and dining rooms feel more open, improve mood and indoor comfort. Because custom windows can be designed larger or uniquely shaped, they help maximize daylight while beautifully framing your view. Perfectly complementing Miami Gardens architecture. Miami Gardens features a mix of architectural styles, from mid-century homes to modern builds and Mediterranean-inspired designs. Custom windows allow you to match your home's structure and character instead of settling for one-size-fits-all designs. Examples include sleek picture windows for contemporary homes, decorative arch-top windows for Mediterranean or Spanish-inspired designs, traditional grids for classic homes, unique geometric windows for bold, modern statements. With custom designs, your windows enhance your home's aesthetic rather than forced to fit its limitations. Improving energy efficiency with high-performance materials. Custom windows aren't just beautiful, they can be built with features made specifically for Miami Gardens' climate. This means better insulation, improved comfort, and lower energy costs. Popular energy-efficient upgrades include low-E glass to deflect heat, double or triple pane insulation, UV-blocking coatings to prevent fading, vinyl, fiberglass, or composite frames that resist Miami humidity. These features work together to reduce heat gain, maintain indoor temperatures, and keep cooling costs under control during hot South Florida summers. Better functionality tailored to your needs. Custom windows also improve the function and flow of your home. You can decide exactly how you want your windows to operate, including casement windows for excellent ventilation, awning windows perfect for rainy days, slider windows for wide horizontal openings, fixed picture windows for maximum views, combination windows for flexibility. This customization ensures your windows not only look great but also serve your lifestyle. Increased home value and curb appeal. A unique home attracts attention and buyers. Custom windows boost curb appeal by highlighting architectural details and giving your home a polished, updated look. Long-term benefits include higher resale value, stronger market appeal, better first impressions, a more cohesive, stylish exterior. Buyers appreciate homes with thoughtfully designed features that stand out. Final thoughts. Custom window designs are one of the most impactful ways to make your Miami Gardens home truly unique. By enhancing natural light, improving energy efficiency, and reflecting your personal style, custom windows offer a blend of beauty and functionality that standard windows can't match. Whether you're renovating or building new, customizing your windows ensures your home feels brighter, more comfortable, and completely your own.